Morning, welcome to Wednesday. Steve at Bradley Plumbing, Heating and Gas Services. Hope you're well. We are in Sheffield this morning. We've come to a job that we're doing over the next couple of days. It's a boiler conversion job. So this customer had an old Thorn floor standing open flue gas boiler, which is just here. The offending item is just here. This did have an asbestos flue with it, so we've had to employ Demex, which is an asbestos removal company in Sheffield. They've taken out all the asbestos, which is the flue system, left the boiler in the garage and went up through the garage roof. If we can just see just up there, we've had the roof patched and a new felt patching done on the roof for the customer as well. Had all the asbestos removed with the right trade body with Demex, so it's all been done professionally. And now we're here today. We've removed the old boiler, we took out the cylinder and tanks, and we're going to be putting in an Ideal C32 32 kilowatts combi boiler, which is a great boiler. 12-year warranty with this one, with a Nest wireless programmable room thermostat, internet controlled Nest start. So yeah, this is our job for the next couple of days, 2-3 days. We've got the flush of the system to do as well, and re-inhibiting and getting the system up and ready, hopefully by Friday. So we're just doing the pipe work today and getting the supplies ready, and the boiler is going to be mounted in the airing cupboard just upstairs where the cylinder was. So this is our job, and thanks for joining us. Steve at Bradley Plumbing. Take care.